please see the way the businesses are done today. Please see the way we are connecting today on a Saturday evening. Please see that the way the classes are being delivered today. Please see the way the examinations are happening today, which means that we have been talking about a gap between the industry and academia since ages, and we have been saying that the industry is moving at a speed where the academia is not able to uh, uh, run along with that. Now the problem is that we want all of you, all of our young minds like you, to work for the problem of today and problem of tomorrow. Now, is it a possibility that we want you to solve on the problem of today and the problem of tomorrow, and we give you a methodology of yesterday? That's not possible. So, with that as mind, I think this has given us a lot of goods. I mean, whatever it has done bad, we all know. But then, yes, it has also opened up the plethora for us. I'm happy to share that even in our university, we have actually done a huge number of placements during these troubled season also, and during this entire difficult time. So I say that whenever there is some kind of an atrocity, in atrocity one need to actually find out some opportunities, and here we are actually discussing about the opportunities. Now let me tell you very candidly at the beginning itself that the world has changed and is going to change at a greater speed from now onward. Um, Gone are the days when you will do a simple degree and then say that once I've done this simple degree and I'm worthy to get a job maybe in any of the better companies. That is not going to happen. So for that, you'll have to be worthy to get a job in or to make a career, because no, I feel that getting a job is easier, but then to make a career out of that job is where all of you should work towards, and that is where your intellect should actually work towards. Now that will only happen if at all you understand what is happening in and around you. Now let me give an example. So let me give the example of KPIT Sparkle itself, where we participated actually, and along with me, five of our young minds participated here. So the problem there was the problem statement given was towards mobility and towards what you can do towards the battery management and all those kind of things. Now KPIT being an automobile giant in itself, and think of a situation where no, you have a Tesla car, and think of a situation that you have Ola as a model, where you have done a digital twin. Now think of a situation where you actually put an amalgamation of both of it, which means that it'll be an auto-driven car like maybe a Tesla or maybe a Google, and you have and you can book it actually. So try and understand that the future is going to be that exciting, which means that the problem statement which you're going to pick and work towards in getting a career for yourself, for your parents, for the entire ecosystem, for your alma mater, has to be drawn from where the world is actually looking at, and this will only happen if you keep your mind open. And I have always been a firm believer of the fact that young minds can do wonders, and for that to happen, I think there are a lot of blogs today. There are a lot of MOOCs platforms today. There are a lot of open platforms where you can actually test your acumen with the best in the industry also. So I'll suggest that wherever these kind of opportunities do pop up, now do participate there, wherein no, maybe a problem statement can happen, and this requires a heterogeneous group to be formed and a problem to be solved. I'll give you an example. Now let us say that we have a lot of lands at LPU. So let's say that you have been given a problem on IoT, wherein no, you have been given a problem to find out the health of the crops and suggest preventive measures with maybe algorithms which will predict ahead, and you're going to help the farmers. Now with this as a problem statement, think of the input which will actually work towards solving this problem. So there has to be a techie which will actually solve this problem. There has to be a student from farming who understands as to how farming has to be done. There has to be somebody who understands electronics. There has to be somebody who understands that what should happen and how you actually propagate your story so that your story becomes sellable, your story become a patent tomorrow, your story become actually profitable tomorrow. So for that to happen, there has to be somebody who understands the market as well. Now what will this give you is that this will give you actually a heterogeneous kind of a mixture to work on a problem which calls for a heterogeneous mixture. So you will learn from peer to peer, B, you will learn from other fraternities also, because no, as I just said couple of minutes back, you have to be student of life. So you'll have to understand maybe what goes in back of maybe playing a guitar also, maybe, or how you can actually put some technology in playing a guitar as well. So problems are immense. I mean, and you don't have to put rocket science to understand ki, yaar, what should we do. You should actually look in and around. I'll give my example to you. So I'm a BTech, MTech, and PhD in electronics. So whenever anything goes bad in house, no, my younger one, he's 6 year old. He says that, Papa, you are a three-time engineer. You should understand how to actually rectify all these kind of things. So these are some of my suggestions to young minds like you. You don't have to actually look at rocket science. You will have to actually look at problems which are near to you only, and try and put a solution to it. Saying that yes, this is how actually I can do it. And people have been doing it. Now, where in an engineering Kida will come here is that you will have to actually give some innovative solution, saying that yes, a problem can be solved by using these 5 steps. I am proposing a solution where you can do this problem solving by using these 3 steps. Or maybe a snippet of code which was about 1,000 lines of code. Now I can do this in maybe 10 lines of code. So that is where the world is actually looking at. I mean, look at the edtech industry today. What is happening with the Baijus of the world, or what is happening with the White Hats of the world, or even what is happening with the upgrades of the world. So you have to be very inquisitive enough, and they have taken a very simple problem and found a solution wherein no, they are helping the parents also. They are actually training young minds also, and big on revenue as well. So that is how you will have to actually be little inquisitive. I invite one more thing from each one of you. I suggest that you should actually, beyond your fraternity, also you should actually pick up 2 3 things which will actually help you out. I can suggest one, two, three of things here. You have to be very super critical with your health and body. That is very critical. So you have to understand that we are going to temples to do the puja, but then the biggest temple is your body itself. So spend some time talking to your body. So once you start talking with your body, you will start talking with your soul as well. Pick up some interest maybe, and once you've picked up some interest, no, try and see if you can put some maybe engineering, if engineering is your thought of way, or maybe management, if management is your thought of way, or whatever, or bioscience, if bioscience is your thought of way. Try and see that if you can put a little bit of your fraternity onto it, no, and then try and embed into it, so that no, you provide a solution to it, to the larger world, saying that this was the problem statement, hey, and this is what I've done, and this is what I'm going to propose to the larger world. So if you can actually do that, no, I feel that instead of you running for jobs, jobs will run for you. So you will have to actually come up to a level wherein no, people will start talking about you. Second suggestion which I want to give to young minds like you is that you should be very very vocal in all these social medias, wherein no, you should actually start a thread and should start putting small inputs so that you build up your larger story. And please understand that your larger story is different from my larger story, which means that you should not do a cut copy paste from somebody else's life. You can actually take inspiration from them, but then you should actually try and curate your own story, and start working on data sets which will actually help you talk about this story to the larger world. So if you can actually do this, I think there is no stopping mind to young minds. That is what my small suggestion is. Suppose this, I am off to my 5 kilometers of walk, but then yes, if at all anything specific which you have in your mind, I would be happy to answer that question. Maybe I can take up 2 3 questions. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. I just want to share my experience with Harpal Teti sir at KPIT Spokel. As we were selected as academic partners for KPIT Spokel 2020, we stayed with Harpal Teti sir there for, I think, nearly 3 days. Sir made us realize the real meaning and the importance of doing projects. And sir also realized the importance that out of 30,000 students, only 5 students were selected as academic partners. Just understand the meaning of doing projects. Just give your heart, sir. After that, sir, we got immediately locked down and we came to home. But
Sure,
with that motivation, sir, where we have seen electric cycles and electric calls over there, but
sure.
with that motivation during this pandemic also, that motivated me to make my own electric bicycle, sir. Now I
Right.
have made my own electric bicycle, sir. It is running successfully, sir.
Great, great.
Thank you,
Send me some photographs of it.
yes,
We'll
sir.
tell it
Sure,
to the
sir.
larger world.
I will share you, sir. Sure.
Any questions? Any suggestions? Somebody said bring Tesla to India. It's coming on in India in 2021. Yes, I know. We'll try and do certain things. Don't worry about that. What else? Any suggestions? Any questions? If anybody has, you can actually unmute yourself and shoot out the question, or you can type it. Entrepreneurs, yes, entrepreneurship is actually the next buzzword. I do not know whether you have seen today's ad of Micromax. Has anybody seen that? So Micromax as a brand, no. If at all you have not seen it, it's in my WhatsApp status today, so you can actually take it and have a look into it. So yeah, it is coming back, and see the kind of story which he has told to the larger world, saying that they actually came from a very small humble beginning in Delhi, and from a very small humble beginning in Delhi, they become the 10th best brand in the world in no time. And then mobile sets, cheaper mobile sets from a country nearby us brought their business down. So once the business were down, they were actually wondering that they have made enough money and name for themselves, so they can actually spend their life peacefully, nicely, enjoying their life. But then when this border issue happened and all this confusion happened, so that is where they said that it's time actually to come back. Yes, the new Micromax is called as in. So it's I'm trying to what I'm trying to say here is that if you have to be an entrepreneur, no, two things. A, don't take a rocket science problem. The best business is solving the basic problem. So try and find out some basic problems which the entire ecosystem is facing today, and provide a solution. Provide a very smart solution to it. And once you have provided a very smart and a crisp solution to a problem which is very common, no, I think you'll make name. And today there are a lot of series A, B, C, D kind of funding and whatnot which is happening, which means that it's a very exciting space to work with. And even the government actually understands that instead of actually asking for a job, no, you will have to be job creators. And what better opportunity than these times? No, these times have actually shown a lot of realities to a lot of us. So I think yes, that can be a great way to start your career. I will also say one thing, that there is something called to be the fail-safe mode in most of the devices. So you should actually, if at all you are venturing into maybe an entrepreneurship, and please see that you fail fast. And if at all you fail fast, come out of it. There has to be a solution A, B, C to it. Hello, hello, hello. Audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So I said, don't keep on working on one kind of a thought process. So there has to be flexibility. So the biggest advice to somebody who's trying to be an entrepreneur today is that you have to be super agile. You have to be super inquisitive. Money is not a problem today. Money will keep on coming, and will keep on coming from so many sources which you cannot even think of. If at all you want a foolproof write up about it, we can connect it off the link as well, and then we can take this conversation ahead. How many students like Tanya got placed with higher packages? A lot of them, yeah. A lot of them actually. I'm very happy that our average has actually gone up like anything. I cannot disclose the figures, but then in 10 days time from now, you will see us going big in social media, saying that this is what we have done for the batch of 2021. But happy news is that we are able to do some real great companies who have actually come and picked up our students at packages more than 20 lakh rupees. What make them much special than others? Nothing, yeah. I'll say that A, you need to be student of life, and B, you need to be inquisitive enough to ask questions and try and find the solutions for themselves. I mean yourself. Once you're able to do that, and I told a couple of minutes back, no, you should put up actually a story for yourself. Once you put up a story for yourself, do a reverse engineering. Then try and see that these are 5 things which are needed to actually crack the story. And once you are able to build up that story piece on piece, there are a lot of avenues actually today. You can come to us. We can actually discuss on that as well. How much mechatronic placements grow by 2020 to 2024? This is a branch which will actually do good. Mechatronics, we have been able to add some real marquee names. I cannot disclose the name of the companies as of now because we have exchanged some data with them. But then yes, this is a field which will actually grow immensely, has a lot of potential. What else? Any other question? Any specific question which anybody has?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, can you tell me the companies about the company's placement? Do they look for CGPA or they do look mostly on skills and projects, coding projects, etc.?
Correct. So there are two things here now. See, whenever a company comes for a placement drive, so they have done some kind of a reverse engineering, saying that this is roughly what we are looking in terms of getting talents from universities like us, and they come with a lot of open mind, saying that if at all we get a good student, we should be able to take it. But please try and understand that seats are limited, correct? So if the seats are limited, there has to be a mechanism wherein they select or reject some students. So fortunately or unfortunately, today with a lot of companies, CGPA works. But as of now, I feel if you're actually maintaining a CGPA of about 70% and then doing good, I think getting 70% in engineering is not tough. We all are engineers and we understand that engineering last के 3 दिनों में ही पढ़ाई होती है या 4 दिनों में ही पढ़ाई होती है. So we all understand that कि 70% to get 70% I think tough नहीं है यार, हो जाएगा. Correct. So if at all we are able to maintain close to about 70%, I think यार आप CGPA पे छोड़ के you can start working on your skills also. हाँ, CGPA जरूर रखिए, मैं कहूँगा 70-75% की CGPA रखनी जरूरी है. If you're able to maintain that, and if you're able to actually put some data on to what you're trying to do with your piece of story, I think उसमें बात बन जानी चाहिए. This is what I've seen in last 2 decades. आने वाला 3-4-5 साल बड़े exciting होने वाला है. Let me tell you this, and let me tell you that आप बिल्कुल rightly poised हो यार. Your batch, I think. So that is how. Yeah, yes, I have exam tomorrow. I'm starting. ऐसे मत करो यार, वो मैंने just एक example दिया था, correct? So I see my son is also in class 10th right now and he's super brilliant. But जो मैंने इस जनरेशन के साथ देखा है ना यार, हमारी जनरेशन काम बड़ा करती थी, ये जनरेशन स्मार्ट बड़ी है. तो आपको थोड़ा सा you'll have to maintain some kind of a balance, I'll say. I know all of you are smart. I know you have borrowed smartness from a lot of your parents and ecosystem. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि आपको थोड़ा सा रेगुलरली अपनी पढ़ाइयों पे भी ध्यान देना चाहिए एंड कीप ऑन बिल्डिंग व्हाटएवर आई हैव सेड. सो आपकी अपनी एक स्टोरी होनी चाहिए, उस स्टोरी पे अपने आप को आप हीरो या हीरोइन पक्का देखिए. एंड प्लीज ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि once you start looking those kind of dreams, मुझे लगता है कि you'll be able to work better. Yeah, any more question?
Sir, what is the future of AI and machine learning?
बहुत है बेटा, अब तो हर एक चीज AI एंड ML पे आ गई है. सो जब हम अपने टाइम पे मैट्रिक्स मूवी देखा करते थे, वी यूज्ड टू फील यार ये क्या हो रहा है. But then I think world is seeing the reality today. I mean, there can be there are multiple scopes. No, you see the way you are using your handheld devices. Please see the way you are using your Apple watches or maybe all these kind of watches. No, so these watches are doing so many things for you today. So I think from here it will only grow. It will not come back. So I feel that you all should do some kind of a coding, irrespective कि आप mechanical से हैं या civil से हैं. Basic coding तो हर बंदे को आनी चाहिए. That is what my small input is to all of you.
Yes, sir. I think it's done, sir. And Thank you so much, sir, for sparing your valuable time and for your suggestions, for igniting these young minds of first year students through the means of this interaction. We risk will definitely tend these young minds towards working on real world problems. We are glad that you took part of this session. I can feel the excitement and inspiration that you generated in these juniors and in us, and we feel honored that you interacted with us. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much. I feel honored as well. Please find me in LinkedIn. If you want to know how to make your stories, please find me in LinkedIn, and that is where I keep on putting a lot of stories. Thank you so much for your time. हम जल्दी ही मिलेंगे, and we'll try and do better stories, more
Sir,
stories like Tanya.
hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir, I checked on LinkedIn. I was not getting. Can you just add your ID there
No,
in
no,
chat?
don't worry, guys. I'll definitely post the SARS link. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for attending this interaction with us. Thank you so much, sir.
thank you so much. God bless. Do take care.
So, guys, how's the interaction? How did it went? Awesome. Yeah, best day. Yes, do not worry about anything, guys. We'll definitely share sir's LinkedIn profile with you in WhatsApp group. So do not worry about that. And yes, he's head of placement cell. We second year, third year, and fourth year students, we will wait eagerly for interacting with sir. But today, when we asked sir about interacting with you, first year students, he said, "Yes, I'll do it." So yes, somebody kept the LinkedIn profile. Yes, thank you, everyone. So with this, today we are going to start the session of Tech First 2.0 Day 6, and today we are having Mr. Mahidhar to discuss about the topic of electric vehicles and e-bikes and e-cycles. So I would like to invite Mr. Mahidhar with his presentation.
Thank you, Venkatesh. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, Mahidhar, you can continue.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, my presentation is visible, guys.
Yes, Mahidhar.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Welcome to
And
TechFirst
guys,
2.0.
this is my request from my end. Please do not unmute your mics during the session. Actually, I was not complaining about the previous one because SAR has told to unmute. But from now on, please do not unmute your mics. Okay, thank you. Mahidhar, sorry for the interruption. Please continue.
Yeah. Okay, good evening, guys. Welcome to TechFirst 2.0 by Risk LPU. Today we are going to discuss about electric vehicles. How many of you know about electric vehicles? Please reply in chat box. Yeah, so many of you know about. Okay, let me ask, why electric vehicles? What is the main use of electric vehicles? Why we use electric vehicles? Yeah, pollution, eco-friendly, no pollution. Right. Yes, you are right. Yeah, okay. Moving on to topic, what are electric vehicles? Electric vehicles are nothing but which runs by electricity instead of fuel. They don't need any combustion engines. Instead of instead of those, they have motors, controllers, batteries, and some electrical components. And there are so many types of electric vehicles like cars, trucks, buses, bicycles, motorcycles, etc. But in today's session, we are going to discuss about some e-bikes and electric bicycles. And coming to electric bicycles, what are electric bicycles? Electric bicycles, which looks like a regular bicycle, but with some changes like having several electrical components. Here I am going to discuss about the main components to make an basic electric bicycle. Those are motors, batteries, and a controller. As before said, the electric bicycle picture looks like an irregular bicycle, but having several components. It is like motor, battery, and controller. Now, if we talk about motors, there are so many types of motors can be used to make an e-bicycle, like crank drive motors, friction drive motors, BLDC motors, and hub motors. And talking about crank drive motors, these motors are very advanced. These motors are very advanced, used for advanced e-bicycles. These motors are mostly developed in Japan, and these are very expensive. And I am not discussing more about the motors and or anything. I am going to say just basics. And coming to friction drive motors, these are simpler, lighter motors that basically work by spinning a roller that is pressed against the bicycle tire. There is a limit to how much power can be put through a friction drive because the acceleration is dependent on the roller, maintaining solid contact with a small patch of tire. Here in this picture, you can see that motor is attached to the tire, right? And and if you're talking about BLDC motors, any one of you know about BLDC? What is BLDC? Abbreviation. If you know, please reply in chat box. Okay. Yeah, right. Brushless. Yes. BLDC motors are brushless DC motors. And I think all of you know about DC motors. These BLDC motors are quieter and lighter. They don't need to be serviced. Most of e-bicycles are made with brushless motors in industries due to fact that they are more efficient at producing power and therefore the battery lasts longer. And coming to hub motors, these are typically brushless motors, but which replaces with some of coils and electronic circuit. The circuit switches the power on and off in coils in turning creating forces in each other that make the motor spin. We can say that hub motors are best and efficient for basic electric bicycles. And hub motors can be fixed to rear tire or front tires. And if we talk about batteries, there are two types of batteries used for electric bicycles. Those are sealed lead acid batteries and lithium batteries. If we talk about sealed lead acid batteries, these batteries were once the standard battery type for most electric scooters and electric bikes. They are more expensive than normal lead acid batteries, but they are also safer. They use different chemicals than dry cells, so they can be rechargeable. These batteries are heavy in size. Mostly it offers the short riding ranges. Lifespan of these batteries are shorter and requires more maintenance and need to be charged immediately after use. And talking about lithium batteries, and these are newest technology in batteries. These batteries lifetime roughly through 2-3 times of that SLA batteries. These batteries are light in weight and offers long riding ranges. These batteries charge quickly and gives more mileage to the bicycle. By this, we can say lithium batteries are best for the e-bicycles. And there are some riding styles in e-bicycles. Those are pedal only and pedal assist and electric only. We all know that pedal only, it is a ridden just like a regular bicycle powered by the rider. And coming to pedal assist, for this type, we mostly use the crank drive motors. It is activated only when pedals are in motion. This allows the rider to still get workout, but an added booster to the make it easier to move. It will move faster when you are giving extra power by pedaling. It is mostly useful in hill areas where you can't power hard the pedals by riding it. Pedal assist will make easier to go smooth in mountain ranges. And finally, electric only. Electric only, it is simply twisting the throttle and bicycle gets going without any assistance from the rider. This will drain the battery. And can you say what is final component? Yeah, controller. Yeah, yeah, it is the most important component for the electric bicycle. These are available in variety of styles. The controller lets you operate the electric assistance on your electric bicycle. The controller is located on handlebar for ease of use. There are two main styles of controllers, pedal activated and throttle based. And pedal activated Controllers are used for pedal assist riding style, and throttle based is used for the electric only assistance. And I'm gonna share a video how it works. Let me share. Wait. Yeah. Is it visible, guys? Yeah. Okay.
How does an e-bike work? An e-bike combines your own effort with the power of an electric motor. This motor assists you up to around 25 kilometers per hour. The current for that extra push is supplied by the battery, which is located in the rear carrier. The motor in an e-bike is fitted in the middle of the bike, in the rear wheel or in the front wheel. Smart sensors measure your speed, your pedal force, or your pedal rotation and use this information to provide the appropriate electric assistance. An e-bike is very easy to operate with controls on the handlebar. This is where you select the level of assistance, for example. There is also a display on your handlebar with readouts for everything, such as how fast you are going or how far you have already ridden. Would you like to see for yourself how an e-bike?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And now I'm gonna show about electric bicycle made by our risk coordinator in this pandemic. Yeah, this is the e-bicycle created by one of our coordinator, Banu Kasturi, as mentioned before in this in interaction in few minutes ago. And I'm gonna show that the working of that bicycle. Yeah, for this e-bicycle, he used the battery of lithium ion of capacity of 12,500 mAh and 24 volts. It gives the maximum speed of 28 km per hour and gives a mileage of 30 km per full charge. And it took the charging of 2 hours for full charge. And can you say, guys, which motor is used for this bicycle? No, no. As I mentioned, anyone? Yeah, Loknath, correct. Hub motors. Yeah, yeah. We used the hub motor here. And moving on to the topic and electric bikes. Electric bikes. And electric bikes are plug-in electric vehicles which don't have combustion engines for fuel, but having motors, batteries, and other electrical components. But here I am not going to discuss about what motors can be used and how it works, what batteries can be used. But I am going to show the work done by the Team Blizzards, which is the mechanical team of Risk LPU. I hope you like it, guys. And this is the first e-bike created by the Team Blizzards in 2018. And this is the second e-bike created by the Team Blizzards, and it's named as Dominic. With this, they went to the challenge EBRC in 2019. EBRC is the Electric Bike Racing Challenge, I want to share one incident when they went there. Uh, when they went to competition, before the day of competition, they faced the problem with the braking system before the day of competition. And the whole team worked the whole night without any rest. And finally, they resolved that problem before the 2 hours of the competition. And finally, they bagged the third prize in overall competition and first place in vehicle design and first place in best business plan. And here is the picture when they won the competition. And here the working of the e-bike. Yeah, here for this e-bike, they used the lithium polymer battery of 60 Ah, and it gives the speed of 70 to 80 kilometer per hour and mileage 80 kilometer for full charge. It takes the charging time of 4 hours for full charge. And guys, you can also make these e-bikes or electric bicycles when you are in part of risk. And I want to share a small video of the risk help you. Yes, I think it is visible. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for this opportunity and thank you, Risk Help You.
Wow, that's a great presentation, guys. Isn't that cool? Isn't it cool? Yes, yes, that's amazing. Yes, you are right, guys. That's amazing. And I wanted to add one more thing. So, as Mahita told that Mr. Banu Prakash has developed an e-bike. So, I mean e-bicycle. So, how much do you think that it costs to build it? What is your estimation? Okay, okay. There are some values, but let me say this, guys. Farid said is right. It took nearly 10K to build that. Actually, during this lockdown period, it took 10K. But if we are in our university, we are having some connections for technical components. We can make that around 7 to 8K for buying that motors and all other things. So I just wanted to tell this, guys, since you are so exciting for this topic, I just wanted to mention this. So there are a lot of figures, 40 to 50K and 30K. Yes, it's possible in 10K, and we made it. Yes, so now let's move to other topic. It's already 6:44. Now,
Venkatesh,
yeah,
I just want Venkatesh. To what Venkatesh said, yeah, as he said, it's under 10K, and you will get that type of bicycles under 30K also in the market. The reason for making it low cost is there. Actually, if you buy the whole battery pack, it will cost around near 20K, 25K. But here we made our own battery pack where we buy our individual cells and our convenience, so that the half of the cost was reduced. So the main difference between people who are working with our organization and the other people is you will not only do the, you can do the cycle by looking in YouTube also, but this is the difference. If you things. Thank you, Venkatesh. Over to you.
So yes, guys, cost efficiency plays an important role in innovation, and yes, we have to remind that. I mean, we have to keep that in mind. And the next we are having Mr. Rudra, who is going to give a presentation on evolution of technology and importance of a skill which is a must for an engineer. So I would like Mr. Rudra to come up with his presentation. Over to you, Rudra.
Thank you, Venkatesh. Am I audible now?
Yes, you are.
Hello. Yes, okay.
Yes, Mr. Rudra, you are. You can continue with your presentation.
Yeah, okay. Okay, is my screen is visible now?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, okay. Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Risk Tech First 2.0, day 6. And hope that you all are fine now. Nowadays, technology is increasing rapidly, and the mobiles are the best example for it. For example, in old, keypad phones are trending as we know that BlackBerry is a famous keypad phone in old days. The main reason is that having a keypad model is as computer keys, and it's really trend on the times. But now, as we know that Apple, OnePlus, Samsung, and other brands are in trend now, and our risk members will tell you about this mobile technology and how it works in detail in tomorrow's session. But I am telling you, about the some technical facts means it's like unknown facts, which is really interesting. Uh, so now in this session, mostly I'm telling about two websites. One is Scale of Universe and Internet Map, and I think it sounds good for you all. So getting into topic, first I want to say that satellites are the milestones of technology development because after sending these satellites, we are getting information all around the world and also outside the world. If you see this, the Sputnik is the first artificial satellite successfully placed in the Earth's orbit. This was sent by NASA America in 1957, and as we know that Aryabhatta is the first Indian satellite sent by ISRO India in 1975. And nearly now 18,900 satellites are sent from the Earth, and currently there are 2,218 satellites orbiting the Earth. Um, the reason behind for the decrease of the satellites is there may be a crash of satellites with other satellites or with any small asteroid, and other reason is the satellite may lose the orbit of the Earth. So as I said to you, first I will show you the scale of the universe website, how it works. If you know already about these websites, it's pretty good. That meant to be you are a exploring person. So I need to move to the website. The website home page will be like this, and I will go to the English language and start. The main, if you see this, the main thing is to learn about this is this website is very helpful to explore a small in the universe and large in the universe. Means smallest in the universe and largest in the universe. If you see this now, if you move to the right, it will be zoom in. If you move to the left, if you move to the left, it will be zoom in. If you move to the right, it will be zoom out. It means if you see this man, basketball, ruler, and duck here and ball, it will be large things means you can see with our naked eyes. If you go to and if you zoom in, the size will be decreases, and if you go to the end, that means smallest in the universe, it will be Planck length. If you click this one, it shows the information. The Planck length is the unit of length. There is also a Planck time, which is the amount of time it takes light to travel. One Planck length is a vacuum. But so many members think that the smallest in the universe will be a microbiological organisms, but we can conclude that Planck length is the smallest in the universe. If we see where is that organisms, means microorganisms. If you see right here, there will be nucleus, means you see DNA, hepatitis B virus. So these are the microbiological organisms. So we can conclude that the Planck length will be the smallest in the universe. If you go to the biggest one, satellites, means the planets are also there. If you go to the big one, universe, the observable universe and universe. And universe is the biggest in the universe itself. So I think it might be helpful and to explore the things. And if you go to the other one, first I want to ask one question. Do you know how many websites are there? If you don't know, don't worry about that. There will be a website named Internet Map. It really good and really excited, and it will be helpful to explore many websites because it will like Google Map. As we know that Google Map will helps to explore the routes all over the world. Like this, there will be an Internet Map. If you see this, this is the website homepage of Internet Map. It will say it will shows the all websites all over the world. If you see the this is the schematic web. It will you show you the this will be bubbles like one. If you see this green and mystic green, maroon red, these will be indicates the individual countries websites. If you see this one, this will be indicate United States. This green will be India. Mystic green will be China. Likewise, individual colors will be indicates individual countries. And this is the internet map. I think you will excited, but see there is a size. There are some big bubbles and small bubbles. There will be reason behind that. This big bubble you're seeing, this will be a most popular website. So by decreasing the bubbles, it will be less popularity. If we zoom in, and the website is google.com. As we know that google.com is a popular website, and we are also used as search engine. And facebook.com, youtube.com, these are very big and popularity websites. If you go through the Indian websites also, in Indian website, this google.coin is the popular website in India. And you can explore so many countries websites. And if you see this yellow part, these all are the Chinese websites. If you zoom in, if you see this is a baidu.com. This is a popular website in China. This is a Chinese search engine because they don't use the Google search engine because Google was banned in China. So they use baidu.com as a search engine. We cannot use that because the language is in almost all it is in Chinese, so we cannot understand this search engine baidu.com. This is all about two websites. And finally, I want to share my experience in risk and how I maintained the time I joined in the risk. When I'm in the first year, I joined in the risk when I'm in first year itself. Risk helps me to acquire the knowledge. As we know that the main motive of risk is learn, implement, and share. We learn things ourselves, and if you face any doubts or any queries, we will discuss with our seniors. They will be help us. After that, we implement, and finally we share this knowledge to others. This is the overall method is going on in the risk organization. And I'm very glad to be a part in this risk. And risk is the best platform for to prove what you are. If we talk about the time management, it's all depend on yourself because you have to maintain your time and you have to divide the time as per your convenience. Mainly, you have to use your free time for this. It will be better. When I'm in risk, I have participated in youth-wide competition which was held by LPU. For that, we have been working from 5 to 3 morning, and we also work a whole day for that without sleep. The main thing behind us is our dedication, and we want that dedication from you also. I hope you all are give this dedication. And if you talk about risk held so many events and those are successfully held. And if you talk about achievements, the greatest achievements that bought by our seniors, they won prize money of 75,000 in SIH, means Smart Indian Hackathon, as a team electronica, as a category of complicated project. And I'm also, when I'm in risk, I'm also participated in youth wide, which was held in Help You. This was a LFR competition, and we won first three place from the risk. And and thank you guys and giving me the for giving me golden opportunity. And if you want to know about more risk, you can follow these links. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rudra. It's a great presentation. So I have posted the attendance link in chat box, and do not worry about the second link, guys. It is the same. He just kept it again. That's it. What about your attendance and lectures? Yes, that's I have said importance of a skill which is must for an engineer. Uh, it is time management. Actually, we definitely have time to sleep, but when it is competition, that's not the time for sleeping. So uh, in that during that competition, we worked very hard. So, and we have bagged some prizes also. When there are results for our hard work, then hard work, I mean, it's like hard work pays off. Uh, is that it, guys? Are you getting free attendance? Why will no, no, no? There's nothing like that, Ronak. And as Rudra said, if time permits, tomorrow we are going to discuss about some interesting topics on mobiles and laptops, and I will be presenting the topic mobiles. So we'll meet to again tomorrow, but do not, I mean, try to fill the attendance form as fast as possible.
Banu, actually, we have some kind of free attendance duty leaves, right?
Yeah, yes, bro. Yes, it's true.
Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, like, yeah, if you are going on competitions, you will get duty leaves from this.
Yeah, yes, Raunak, as Priyansh bro said, not a type of free attendance, but if you are doing some projects and they're at another level, like you're going some out campus events, you're representing LP, you are participating in out campus competitions, then you will be getting duty leaves. Okay, in that situations.
Okay, भैया. I got.
And do not worry about the websites which were shown by Mr. Rudra. We'll definitely share the links of those websites in WhatsApp groups. So you will get every update in that WhatsApp group, and we'll share LinkedIn profile of Dr. Harpal Teti sir also in WhatsApp group. And you engineers do create your LinkedIn profiles. Okay, it is like a professional Facebook account for us. So every engineer needs to maintain an LinkedIn profile. So I was just telling so that other people can know. Just explore. And the other important thing for an engineer is exploring. Just go to the site which Rudra explained and see what are the sites that are being used in China and what are the sites that are being used in India. And do not forget boycott China products. Uh, so today's session, day 6 of TechFest 2.0 is completed, guys. So after filling your attendance form, you can leave now. Thank you so much for attending today's session. Yeah, tomorrow we are having same time, 6 to 7. Share attendance form in WhatsApp group. Uh, don't worry, guys. I'll share now in this meeting, in this very meeting. So you can mark your attendance.
Abhishek, you can contact any of the admin. They will help you out. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, Leah.
Admin for the link, but we cannot share in the group. Okay. If you're facing any technical issue, just contact our admin. They will help you.
Okay.
For that, Ronak Kumar will definitely plan an interactive session with Team Blizzard's mechanical team after the completion of.
And Raunak, yes. Raunak, I just want to say that in making e-bikes, there is no need of any coding. As it is needed, when it is needed means when you want to automate your bike. For example, if you want to add some fingerprint without lock, if you make it some smart bike along with electric, then you need some sort of coding just to make automated. But to make it as electrical, no need of any coding. You will be getting all like controllers and motors and everything you will be getting, no need of coding in that particular.
Thank you so much, guys. You are keeping this session very interactive and you are very attentive. Thank you so much. So do fill the attendance form and today's session is completed. Thank you so much. You can leave now. Thank you everyone.